In this video, I'm going to give you 5 steps to turn your writing skills into passive income. The first thing you definitely want to do is start to create information products. This can be like your digital products, like your classes, your courses. You can even create like toolkits depending on your niche and who you are targeting with your writing. So if you're a freelance writer and maybe you write blogs for other people, maybe you can take some of those blogs and create some information products around blogging. Or maybe you can just blog yourself on your WordPress website, but you can definitely create those passive income streams with your writing skills by creating info products. The second thing you can do is that you can monetize your words on Medium. Medium.com, there's another site called Substack as well, where you can get paid for writing articles. This is something that I absolutely love to do. You can create a full community on Medium. You can also create your own publication and invite other writers. There's so many different ways that you can monetize, not just on the platform, but because of that platform as well. So you can use Medium as a driving force in your writing businesses, your writing business. If you want to sell your writing services, you can use Medium as well. The third thing that you can do is you can get into affiliate marketing. So think about all of the tools that you use as a writer and how you can become an affiliate. Once you become an affiliate, you can create content on Medium. All right, that's one platform you can do, or you can create content on YouTube, just like I'm doing right now, and you can drive traffic to your affiliate links. But here's the important thing: you want to make sure that it aligns with your niche as a writer. Okay, so you want to become an affiliate of those type of tools that you're currently using first, and then start to broaden out depending on your niche as well. I almost guarantee that most of all of the tools that you use, or even all the resources that you already have affiliate programs. If you go onto their website and scroll all the way down to the bottom, there should be your answer there. If you don't see it, feel free to reach out to the platform to ask about the affiliate program. They probably got it on there as a back end offer, so you can definitely email to ask about their affiliate marketing programs. But most all websites, services, products, anything you're using in your business should have an affiliate marketing program. Okay. So I want to let you know about a free guide that I created just for writers and publishers, showing you how to earn passive income in your business. You can go ahead and grab this free guide. I have the link in the description, or you can go to sharlritadeloatch.com/guide. Okay. So let's get back into today's content. Now, self publishing books. This is another way that you can create passive income. Now, different types of books that you create. My favorite is self help how to books, especially around writing and publishing, starting your own publishing business. I love to write those type of books. I absolutely love book series. So if you are a writer that writes in a particular niche, maybe if you have some, old blog posts, you can turn those into an ebook series. There's there is so much that you can do when it comes to books. You can also think about creating maybe low content books such as journals and planners, and there's puzzles. Now, the puzzles are considered medium content books, but I want you to think beyond your writing skills and how you can leverage those skills to turn them into books, which books can be another stream of passive income. When you upload your books on platforms such as Amazon KDP, which already has an audience already, what you can do is once you create those books, you can drive traffic to your books. Okay. So this is another way in which your audience can learn about your writing services. They can learn about you depending on your niche, and you can use your books as a way to drive traffic to your writing services. So it's a win-win for everyone, but this is a great way, or having different strategies to help you to leverage your writing in self-published books. And you don't have to do nonfiction books like me. Maybe you want to write romance series. Maybe you want to write a different type of fiction series. This is also based on your liking, what you like to write. And I am almost positive there's an audience out there for you. It just takes a strategy for you to get that done. Okay. So sit down and think about the genre that you want to write in, and think about how you can break down your genre into different series. Series sell very, very well, especially on Amazon KDP, which they have different features on the platform to help bring more readers to your series. Okay. You can also license your work. So maybe you have some old blog posts, some old articles that maybe you don't feel the need for in your business. Maybe you made some changes. You can license your work, such as turning it into a PLR. Now, PLR is a license called private label rights. This license enables you as the creator to take your writing that you already done. So you could take a blog post and you can sell it to other people. So you can sell them the license to be able to use your writing, your work for their own business. So think about that. Dig into your Google Drive to see if you have any old writing, any old type of work that you can turn it into a license, and you can create a passive income, meaning you can upload these license or these PLR products onto a maybe like a Gumroad or a Payhip, and you can sell it to individuals. So this is another way that you can license and leverage your writing, especially if you're really, really good at writing and you love to write. People can go and license and buy your products for their own business. Okay. So listen, on this channel, I love to talk about how to turn your skills into cash by providing you passive income tips for writers, publishers, and creators. I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and also hit the notification bell. So when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I would love for you to comment below to let me know what type of writer you are and what you write about. And I would love to help you to give you some strategy around how to turn your writing into passive income streams. Okay. Until the next video, we will see you next time. Bye bye.